Logiq Airiq. Does your truck suffer from an embarrassing squat when loaded down? Ditch the uneven look and handling with Logiq Airiq Load Leveling, the complete air suspension solution. Logiq Airiq isn't your average airbag kit. This pre-assembled system simplifies installation and features a powerful compressor to inflate air springs quickly, maintaining a level stance even under heavy loads. Plus, control and adjust air pressure right from your phone with the included Bluetooth app. Imagine hauling gear without sacrificing performance or aesthetics. Logiq Airiq effectively levels your truck for a safer and more comfortable ride, whether you're towing a camper, hauling tools, or hitting off-road trails. But Logiq Airiq offers more. Choose from single channel for basic applications or a dual channel option for independent air spring control, perfect for uneven terrain or heavy off-center loads.